Okay, Locked In Film, your boy finally got the battery tender for the Ryker baby right there, you know what I mean? She over there drinking, getting drunk. I hope you ain't drunk, you know what I'm saying? But that's what the battery tender look like right there. It's the Viking. I got it from Harbor Freights, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you got one where you at, but here in Arkansas, we got a Harbor Freight, we got all the other stuff. So I'm sure in the bigger states, y'all got one, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, she charging up, you know what I'm saying? I can't complain. I am ready to get on her and ride her without her shutting down. Not that she shut down while I ride, you know what I'm saying? She rides smooth when she going, but if I have her sitting in the garage for too long, she'll go to sleep on me and won't wake up. You know, she basically dead. Now, I've done my research and everybody says that with a tender, you can actually leave it on for a long time, you know what I'm saying? Basically forever, you know. Some people might say don't do that, you know, check on your battery here and there every once in a while, but for the most part, you can leave a tender on your Ryker or on just about any vehicle you have, no matter the size of the tender, you know what I mean, that you get for your battery. But yeah, so right now, she's been charging for like 24 hours, you know what I'm saying? No, closer to 48, 2 days, you know what I'm saying? She been sitting in here, relaxing, chilling, and drinking up her battery milk. You feel me? But hey, all is well with her. I can't complain. I'm ready to get back on her and do my thing. You feel me? Bars. Anyway, you know what I mean? I ain't seen y'all in a minute Locked In Film. How y'all been? You know, I still got the Ryker merch. I got, you know, Christian merch, you know, if you're a believer. All praises to the Most High, you know what I'm saying? I got that merch dropping. You know, I got it dropped, you know what I mean? And I got new stuff coming. And I got the same thing coming and already have for the Locked In Fam. So y'all go tap into the merch. And hey, come and support your boy, you know what I'm saying? We out here together. We the fam. You feel me? Now, as y'all can see, Ryker baby a little dirty, you know. Got some spider webs right there because she been sitting for a long time. And it don't take much in the country to get dirty. But we're going to get her cleaned up, you know what I'm saying? And keep her rolling. You feel me? Yes, sir. But anyways, fam, that's all I had to say to y'all. Until next time, it's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.